In this video, I'll show you how to ask questions on Deepseek. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Deepseek, right? If you love to ask questions, you're gonna be selecting the search, right? So I can just come on here and type in what is verb, right? I'm gonna click on the enter. I'm gonna wait for its response, right? So we're gonna see what is gonna break for us, right? So you can see it like everything is literally coming out. Verb is a word that expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being, right? So everything is going to answer everything you need to see, right? Like everything literally, right? So you can see it. This is how you can ask questions on Deepseek. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.